I'm an IT manager's worst nightmare when it comes to security. I exploit your most valuable and your most vulnerable asset. Your employees. I am RansomBear. If I'm feeling lucky, I can just send a few emails hoping that a couple of your employees open my attachment, and you'd be surprised how many will. But folks are smarter than they used to be, so using a targeted approach works best. Social networking sites are a honeypot of useful information, and in a few clicks, I have a better picture of your employees, their roles, and even their interests. I'll take my time to tailor an email to make it look like it's coming from one of Judy's co-workers and send it off to my unsuspecting victim. So when Judy in accounting clicks a promising link from her favorite co-worker, she lets me right in the front door. Systems locked down, data inaccessible, business is grinding to a halt. Your organization is now one of thousands of small businesses to fall victim to my attack. And everyone's looking at you to clean up my mess. The fix is simple, really. Pay my ransom and you get your data back. You want to think about it? Fine. You have 72 hours to pay up, or kiss your data goodbye forever. Fact is, I don't even want your data. I just want you to want it badly enough to meet my demands. Businesses like yours are low-hanging fruit to me, ripe to be picked. With thousands of ransomware samples at my disposal and millions of people like Judy in organizations just like yours, I simply can't resist. You can try to rely on backups and spend a little more time educating your employees, but without proper security solutions in place, it's only a matter of time until I get in. But what do you expect? I'm RansomBear. It's in my nature. Don't want to end up with me scratching at your door. Protect your organization with WatchGuard Total Security Suite, offering advanced malware protection with web blocker, APT blocker, and host ransomware prevention. Each of these services can function individually to protect against ransomware attacks, but work best in tandem, preventing, detecting, and remediating ransomware before the damage is done.